sicela ukuthi introduce igama lakho nesibongo kanye neportfolio yakho kule Dimension Valentine.
Okay, to everyone watching, Apostle Simon Mashego, based in Davidton, the founder of Davidton Park and Play. We gathered here today just to come as a community and gather here to give support to the people of Van der Bay. We heard of an incident in Zekile early this week, and to me, if you can remember last year, Tinalai Davidton around this time, actually the first quarter of the year, we had an incident again 12 where abantwana balimala lapha kwashona abantwana like Davidton, and it touched me. Abantwana, I think njengomzali, having umntana ajabulile aphuma aye esikolweni, then usesemsebenzini you receive a call but umntana akasekho. So I think every parent relates to the pain, so we gathered here as a community of Davidton just to bring support. Yes, no, you know what, I just want to say thank you so much to the people of Davidton who showed their support. The turnout was beautiful, we had a beautiful turnout today. So I always emphasize that Park and Pray is not a church, it's not about a pastor, it's about a community gathering together, calling the name of the Lord. So the turnout today, people of Davidton came in numbers just to show support to the people of Van der Bay. So njengomfundisi ufuna ukubonga nomphakathi waseDavidton masibambisaneni sikhuleke, and also just to emphasize, let's not be reactive but be a community that's proactive, meaning that we don't only pray when there is a situation, but always pray. Let's learn to celebrate, but not only cry, but to celebrate even the achievements of our community and gather and pray. Yeah, so that's the main thing. Thank you so much. God bless you.